Which zero-turn mower is actually worth your hard-earned cash? Simple question, but sorting through all the options can feel overwhelming. Today, I'm breaking down 4 incredible choices under $10,000 that deliver real value and performance. Product number 1, American Lawnmower 1204-14. Let's kick things off with the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14. Priced around $87.99, this manual push mower caught my eye because it's light and eco-friendly. If you want a sustainable way to maintain your small lawn, this is worth a serious look. This 14-inch 4-blade reel mower is perfect for those smaller yards. The adjustable blade height lets you choose between 0.5 inches to 1.75 inches, so you can keep your grass looking neat without damaging it. Plus, its lightweight design, just 19 pounds, means you can maneuver it easily around your garden. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've been struggling with noisy, gas-operated mowers, this manual option offers a quiet and pollution-free alternative. It's a fantastic choice for eco-conscious homeowners and has already won over 2,000 buyers recently. Now, some people complained that it struggles with taller grass. Here's the thing though, if you're proactive about mowing regularly, this shouldn't be an issue. It's perfect for maintaining shorter grass and can offer a satisfying mowing experience. This is perfect for you if you have a small lawn and want something easy to handle. Skip this one if you have larger areas to cover, because a push mower will be too slow. For the price, it offers great value without the noise and emissions of gas mowers. Now, if the manual effort of the American Lawnmower 1204-14 concerns you, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach with its zero-turn capabilities.
Product number 2, Ceylon Zero-Turn Mower Bucket Holder, priced at $28.99. This little accessory grabbed my attention because it brings convenience to your mowing routine. If you're looking for a way to keep your tools and debris close while mowing, this is a must-see. This bucket holder is designed to clamp onto your zero-turn mower, making it easy to hold a standard 5-gallon bucket for trash pickup or garden tools. It's a simple but effective solution for keeping your workspace tidy. Here's why this matters for you. If you're tired of making multiple trips to dispose of yard waste, this holder allows you to collect debris on the go. It's made from durable materials and fits most zero-turn mowers, so installation is a breeze without any drilling required. However, some users mentioned that the bucket isn't included, which can be a bit frustrating since you need to buy it separately. But honestly, once you have the bucket, this holder makes yard work way more efficient. This is perfect for you if you're regularly cleaning up leaves or debris while mowing. Skip this if you prefer a mower that's already packed with features, since this is just an accessory. It's a small investment for the convenience it brings, making yard work that much easier. Okay, if the idea of just a bucket holder isn't enough for you, the next product expands functionality even further.
Product number 3, AgriFab Zero-Turn Riding Lawnmower Bucket Bracket. The AgriFab Zero-Turn Riding Lawnmower Bucket Bracket comes in at $32.99 and takes the bucket concept a step further. This caught my eye because it's about maximizing efficiency on your mower. If you want a sturdy way to transport yard waste or tools while you work, this might be your solution. This bracket is designed to securely hold a standard 5-gallon bucket, so you can easily carry mulch, plants, or debris without hassle. It's compatible with many popular zero-turn mower brands, making it versatile. Here's why this matters. If you find yourself frequently getting off your mower to grab tools or dispose of waste, this bracket saves you time and effort. Plus, the construction quality is solid, ensuring it can handle rough outdoor conditions. That said, some users pointed out that installation can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it enhances your mowing experience significantly, so it's worth the initial effort. This is perfect for you if you want to streamline your yard work and need an efficient way to manage debris. Skip this if you don't often collect waste while mowing, as it might not be necessary for everyone. For what it offers, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something that adds a bit of comfort while mowing, the next product on our list has you covered.
Product number 4, Great Day Big Top Universal Canopy. While there's no official price listed, it's definitely a worthy investment for those who want sun protection while mowing. This canopy caught my attention because it offers shade during those hot summer days. If you want to stay comfortable while working in the yard, this is something to consider.
The canopy is made from heavy-duty, UV-resistant materials, providing protection against sun exposure. It fits a variety of roll bar widths, so most zero-turn mowers can accommodate it. Here's why this matters. If you're spending hours mowing, the last thing you want is a heat stroke or skin damage from the sun. This canopy gives you the peace of mind to work comfortably. However, some reviews mention that it can be a bit cumbersome to install. I'll be real with you, it might take some patience, but once it's set up, it offers fantastic protection. This is perfect for you if you spend a lot of time outdoors and want to shield yourself from the sun. Skip this if you're in a cooler climate, as it may not be necessary. For the peace of mind it provides, it's a valuable addition to your mower setup. To wrap things up, we've looked at the American Lawnmower 120414 for its eco-friendly approach, the Sailong bucket holder for convenience, the AgriFab bucket bracket for functionality, and the Great Day Big Top Canopy for comfort under the sun.
In conclusion, each of these products offers unique solutions for your mowing needs. The American Lawnmower is perfect for eco-conscious users. The Sailong bucket holder adds convenience. The AgriFab expands functionality, and the Great Day Canopy provides essential sun protection. Choose based on your specific needs, and happy mowing.